This is a short video showing the Shannon engineering workshop, and here we have a cutter employed to cut the swathe from a axle from a large vehicle, and you can see that it's a precise operation. This particular flange or collar is to be used for a specialist braking system that the truck requires. And you can see the axle in detail now turning on the lathe. This lathe will carry out operations up to 580 kilograms. You can now see the detailed MIG welding that Shannon carried out to ensure that the operation of welding was to precise parameters. And here we are again looking in detail at the actual cutter, and you can see the swathe being removed. The tolerances here are to very small parameters, precision engineering in detail. If you require any more information, have a look at the website.